Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to see Spotify Wrapped 2020 on your phone or on your computer. So whatever device you're using, this is the most consistent way to do it. You're not going to be wanting to do it on the Spotify app. The best way to do this is by typing in 2020.byspotify.com. That URL, as you can see at the top there, into any web browser. Then once you get to this web page right here, you want to click login to see your 2020 Wrap, that link in the middle there. Then that will bring you to your Spotify app, or it will be on the website version. Then you'll see right here it says 2020 Wrapped. You'll be able to see your 2020 Wrapped songs, playlists, podcasts, etc. all here. But if you are having trouble with this, you can click on the search bar at the bottom of the app, then just type in 2020 Wrapped, then it should appear for you there. If not, you can go on Spotify.com. Then you'll see it on that website right there if you scroll down a little bit. So hopefully one of these methods should work for you. If it did, leave a like, subscribe for more videos like this, click on screen to see my how-to videos on Spotify. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.